So hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to use Fleava hair growth serum. So what is the correct method to use this product for better results? So first of all, I want to tell you, you have to use this product for at least 90 days. And if you are going to use this product only for 30 days, only for 60 days, you will not get amazing results. You have to use this product for 90 days or like you can say 180 days. Okay, and if we talk about like how to use, so you need to apply few drops directly on your scalp massage. You can say you need to apply few drops like one drop or two drop according to your area, in which area you don't have any kind of hairs. If you are any kind of bold lines, then you can apply these drops and you need to massage gently on your area. You need to massage on area approx like for 1 minute, and you need to leave it for 2 or 3 minutes, or you can say like 5 minutes. And when your scalp will absorb it, then you need to rise through the water and ensure no residue remains, and that's your scalp feel fresh and clean, and that's it. You have to use this product regularly. You can say like you can use this product for 2 times, one in the morning and one in the evening time, so you can get better results. Okay, so this is the information. If you are going to use this product for 30 days, you will see strength and sooth in your hairs. And if you are going to use this product for like 70 days, then you will see new growth in your scalp. And if you are going to use this product for 180 days, then you will see thicker hairlines and all the, you can say like all the area where you don't have any kind of hairs and all, then it will give you hairs, thin hairs, and you can say like it will cover your all the scalp. Okay, so this is the information, my dear friends. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comments will helpful for lots of people. Okay, so bye bye, thank you so much for watching this video.